welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Genovia Real, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So, I don't know, y'all, like, I've been posting these Temu wig reviews, and they not getting no views. So, I don't care, though, because I like wigs, so we just gonna do what we doing. Anyway, today we got another Temu wig. It is a pretty much like a 1B30 type of ordeal. It is supposed to be a glueless pre-everything wig. I mean, we're gonna have to add some glue. I mean, the lace isn't that bad, to be quite honest, but it's gonna be a little, well, shit, nigga, let's try it on. Dokey. Well, y'all, what y'all think? You think we need to spray it down? I don't think so. I think is it cold season? Like, what is going on? But I think we can pluck it just a little bit, just to what y'all think though? What y'all think? Like, I'm not even like playing. Like, this is not bad. It's not bad at all. Like, I was gonna wear this for homecoming. It just did not make it out the bag, y'all. And I think we're gonna do a side part with this one. Actually, I wear my part on this side. We're gonna do a side part with this one as well. So don't mind that. Oh, don't mind that. Yeah, let's do a side part with this one. This was supposed to be my homecoming wig for last weekend. It did not make it out this little net. And I'm just like, y'all should have seen the wig I was trying to wear. I wore it, and you know, I think I'm just gonna go ahead. Either I'm gonna try to fix it or we're gonna throw it away. But either way, neither here nor there. We could do a battle of the browns again if y'all like, but we're gonna go ahead and install this really quick. It's 9 o'clock at night on a Monday, so we're gonna go ahead and get her done. Stay tuned if you would like to see what I got going on up in here. Okay. Mud. Alright, y'all, I'm finna curl my hair. Y'all know I'm not a curler. Don't come for me. I do not know how to curl properly. Oh yeah, I want to show y'all my nails. Don't look at this one. These came in a pack from Shein. They was already like decorated and whatnot. However, the thumbs didn't fit. Like, this one was supposed to be on the thumb. It didn't fit, so I took a pack and opened it up, and ooh, voila. And I put them all on with Gel X gel glue. And this one I had to use regular glue because this wasn't gonna the light wasn't gonna penetrate through this. So I'll leave the link, or you can click on my other video because it's linked there too. But yeah, I'll leave the link for these nails. But I look into your eyes because I get locked in. I won't waste no time. There's no time when it comes to you. Don't know where you begin. It's taking me forever to curl this. I don't want to do it no more. To me, you are the star, the show still. Ever since I got you all that ice, you got no chill. Hot come outside by 8 p.m. and send that text to your DM. Alright, let's fix this. Move my lace back, god damn it. Why y'all didn't tell me to put this wig on during homecoming? Why y'all didn't tell me to put this wig on during homecoming? Y'all not my real friends. Y'all my fake friends. Because this came out so fucking cute. Now, granted, the curls took a minute. I was trying to figure out what the fuck to do with this right here. I can't find my my edge control. I know it's in the house, but I don't know where. The lace, it could be because maybe it's nighttime. Ooh, excuse me. But the lace, you can't even motherfucking, like, it looks good. I could tint it a little bit, but it looks really good. Like, girl, this, new wig, who this, cause the fuck? Like, this was gonna be my wig for the whole weekend. But I was like, no, like, I really got discouraged. The thing is, my phone really discourages me. Why I have not bought a camera off of TikTok is beyond me. It's beyond me. But this is literally the reason why I don't get a whole lot of content, because my phone stops me. I bet you this should have cut off right now because I'm be running out of space. So we're gonna hurry up and close this out. Go ahead and get you this wig. I do not remember the length. Again, I'll put it right here on the screen. I'll put the link below. But this right here, I'll go ahead and post the wig I did with the wig I did wear. We'll compare the two. But this one, y'all, this is my wig for the fall season. This is my wig for the fall season. All right, let me go ahead and get some pictures in. Thank you guys for watching and listening to me rant about my life. And truly much appreciated. Mucho appreciated. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. If you've been a long-term watcher but never subscribed, if you watched 3 videos of me, go ahead and subscribe, because obviously you like it here. I keep popping up on your feed, so subscribe. Anyway, with that being said, let me go. I got a headache. Let me take some pictures. I'll call y'all back. All right, bye.